In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your TradingView account. If you've decided to part ways with TradingView, whether for privacy reasons, to consolidate your online presence, or simply because you no longer find it necessary, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Make sure you're logged into your account and have your password ready, as you'll need it towards the end of the process. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to TradingView's official website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. You should see the homepage loaded with market tracking data and charts. At this point, your focus should be on navigating to the Settings section. Next, direct your attention to the upper or side menus where you'll find the Settings and Billing option. It might seem like a place just for billing details, but you'll find everything account-related here, including our ultimate destination. Once you're in the Settings and Billing menu, look for the Account Settings link or tab. By clicking here, you'll gain access to all your main account details. TradingView gives you control over your profile, ranging from authentication settings to private information. And right here is where you'll manage the deletion process. Now within Account Settings, look for the Delete Account option. This might be tucked away within the settings, as they don't want anyone accidentally deleting their account. Once you've found it, click on it. This is a crucial moment. You're making the decisive action to say goodbye to TradingView. After clicking Delete Account, TradingView will prompt for confirmation. You'll see an option that says, Yes, Delete Account. They ask for confirmation to help ensure you're absolutely certain about this irreversible action. So if you're sure, go ahead and click on Yes, Delete Account. Remember, this action can't be undone, so it's important to be completely certain about your choice. Finally, TradingView will ask you to enter your password to verify your identity. This additional step ensures that it's truly you who is requesting the account deletion. Once you've carefully typed in your password, submit it and the process will be finalized. Your account is now deleted. And there you have it. Your TradingView account is successfully deleted. Remember, if you change your mind after this, you'll need to create a new account from scratch, as the previous data will not be retrievable. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you navigate the account deletion process smoothly. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more guides in the future.